Good morning, students. I hope you all are fine at home. Students, do you remember what we were doing yesterday? Yes, we had started with our new lesson. Lesson number 2. Alright? We had started lesson number 2. That is a poem. And what is the name of the poem? The name of the poem is Useless Things. Lesson number 2, that is a poem, and the name of the poem is Useless Things. Okay, students? In this poem, there are something that is meant to be together. There are some particular thing that are meant to be together. If one thing is not there, that other thing is useless. Okay, so today I'm going to start with some copy work. So before starting your copy work, I'm going to read the poem again and explain it to you in short. Okay, students? All right. Lesson number 2, Useless Things. Now I'm going to read this poem for you. Candy that isn't sweet, a bus without a seat, a beach without its sand, an airplane that can't land. Okay, tell me, if the candy is tasteless, what is the use of the candy? If it is not sweet, no taste is there, that candy is useless. A bus without a seat. If you ride a bus, there is no seat, then the bus is useless. A beach without its sand. Suppose you go to the beach, okay, and there is no sand. The beach and sand are meant to be together. Okay, this means without sand, beach is useless. An airplane that can't land. We use airplane for our transport. Okay. If it can't land, it means there is no use of airplane. Okay. That airplane is useless for us. A fish without scales, monkeys without their tails, a teacher without a class, a window without glass. A fish without a scales. That is the outer part of the fish body. That scale protect the fish. Okay. Monkeys without their tails. Monkey use their tails for swing, to hold the branches of the trees. A teacher without a class. Teacher without a class means if the class is not there, the teacher is useless. The teacher and class are meant to be together. If you people are not there in the class, then what is the use of a teacher? No use. A window without glass means a window without glass means a glass of the window protect us, keep us away from the sunlight, from the dirt of outside and the wind. Okay. A pencil without lead, sheets without a bed, a pen that doesn't mark, a lamp that leaves room dark. Students, are you people using pencil for writing? Okay. If in your pencil there is no lid, how you will write? This means without a lid, a pencil is useless for you. Sheets without a bed. We are sleeping on the bed. Okay. If there is no sheet, there is no mattress, how you people will sleep? It's very uncomfortable for us. A pen that doesn't mark. We people are having pen. We are using pen for writing. Okay. If the pen is not writing, if the pen is not marking anything, it means the pen is useless for us. A lamp that leaves room dark. What is the use of lamp if the room is still and dark? No use of lamp. Hives without bees. Forest with no trees. A book without words. A nest without birds. Hives. Bees are making hives. They are living there and making honey. Okay. If the bees are not there, what is the use of hives? No use. It means hives without bees is useless. Forest with no trees. With so many trees, there is a forest. If in the forest there is no trees, this means the forest is useless. A book without words. In your book, there are many words. Okay, you are able to read it. If there is no word, if your book is blank, what is the use of your book? No use. This means without word, the book is useless. A nest without birds. Birds making their nest, okay, for laying their eggs. If the birds are not there, what is the use of nest? No use. There is no need of nest. Nest is useless without the birds. Sights that can't be seen. A king without a queen. A garden without seeds. Jewelry without beads. The sights. If the sight is not visible, what is the use of the sight? No use. A king without a queen. The king and queen are meant to be together. Always the king and queen are together. If there is no queen, it means there is no need of a king. The king is useless without queen. A garden without seeds. We create gardens with the help of seeds, with the help of little plants. We are just using seeds to grow plants. If the seeds are not there, we are not able to create a garden. Okay, this means without seed, the garden is useless. Jewelry without beads. Jewelry is made with the beads. Beads make the jewelry beautiful. If the beads are not there, the jewelry is useless. An actor without a prop. A street with nowhere to stop. A mystery without a clue. Me without you. An actor. What an actor is doing? Actor is using prop to make their acting realistic. Okay? Without prop, the actor is not able to act properly. The actor is always using prop to act, to make their acting real. A street with nowhere to stop. If there is a street that is endless, we are just moving, we are not going to stop anywhere, then what is the use of a street? Nothing. A mystery without a clue. A mystery without a clue. Clue always helps to solve the mystery. If the clue is not there, mystery is always unsolved. So we need clue to solve the mystery. Okay? Me without you. Without you, I'm useless. If you are not there, then I'm useless. Okay? I and you are meant to be together. Alright students, this is your poem, and now after reading of this poem I'm going to start our copy work. So students, before starting the copy work I want to tell you something. Just see the copy work how I'm doing, and you have to do in the same way, but always remember that you have to write your English 2 work in 4 lines copy. You have to complete your English 2 work in 4 lines copy. Okay students? Alright. You just go to the school website and see. I already uploaded all the exercise over there. Just go through the exercises and with the guidance of your parents, try to write, and please complete your copy work on time. If you have started, that's fine. If you're not, then please complete your copy work. When the school will reopens, your copy will be submitted for the correction. Okay? And one more thing students, when you write in your copy, be careful for your handwriting. Okay students, try to write neatly with proper finger gap, at least 2 fingers gap between 2 words. When you write, put your finger and write neatly. Be careful for the spelling. Don't do the spelling mistakes, and try to write very neatly. Okay students? Now I'm going to start your copy work of this lesson. This is your second lesson. Lesson number 2. Poem, Useless Things. Okay. So before starting your copy work, first write down today's date. 12/5/20. Okay. 12th May 2020. Alright students. Now after this, write down lesson number 2. Okay. Then after writing lesson number, you'll write name of the lesson. What is the name of the lesson? What is the name of the lesson? Useless things. First of all, you write down today's date, then write lesson 2, then you will write name of the lesson. That is a poem, Useless Things. After this, you will write the first question of this lesson. You have to write the first question of this lesson. Question number 1. Write first 5 lines of the poem. Okay students, first question of this lesson is write first 5 lines of the poem. What is the first question of this lesson? Write first 5 lines of the poem. You have to write first 5 lines of the poem. Okay students? Okay. So, see your book. Okay. Now, you have to write from candy to scales. Candy that isn't sweet, number 1. Number 2, a bus without a seat. Number 3, a beach without its sand. Number 4, an airplane that can't land. And number 5, a fish without its scales. You have to write first 5 lines of the poem. So you have to start from candy till scales. Just count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have to count 5 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You have to start from candy to scales. Write with pencil. Put at least 2 fingers gap between the words. Write very neatly. No spelling mistakes. And be careful for the punctuations also. Because here it is written candy that isn't sweet. After sweet there is a comma. There is a comma. So don't forget the comma here. A bus without a seat. No punctuation. Only the capital letter. A beach without its sand. There is a punctuation, that is comma. An airplane that can't land. A fish without a scale. There is a comma. Okay, so be careful for your punctuations also. Start with the capital letter and see where the punctuations are given, like comma or full stop. Okay, so be careful while writing and don't do the spelling mistakes. Write very neatly with good handwriting, students. Please write with the good handwriting. Write in your 4 lines English 2 copy. Okay. Okay, students. Now we are moving further, and the next exercise is dictation words. What is next exercise? Dictation words. Go for the next page and write down. Go for the next new page. After completing your first 5 lines of the poem, you go for the next new page of your copy, okay? Then you will write again lesson 2, name of the poem, useless things, okay? Then you will write here dictation words. Dictation words, okay? And write down the dictation words. 5 dictation words are there. I have given only 5 dictation words. That is, number 1 is sweet. Number 2 is airplane. Number 3 is window. Number 4 is forest. And the last one is number 5. That is an actor. That is an actor. Students, I think this is clear for you all. Okay. Dictation words. 5 dictation words I have given. That is number 1 is sweet. Number 2 is airplane. Third one is window. Fourth one is forest. And the fifth one is actor. The fifth one is actor. Okay. Write all the dictation words in your copy and learn it. Okay, write with the good handwriting. Don't do the spelling mistakes and learn all the spellings. Alright, students? Okay. Now your second work is word meaning. Now your second work is word meaning. Now your second work is word meaning. Number 2 is word go for the next new page. Then you will write word meaning. First page, write down first 5 lines of the poem. Second page, you write dictation words. You will write dictation words. 5 dictation words I have given. That is sweet, airplane, window, forest or actor. Okay. Then you go for the next new page and you write down the word meaning of this lesson. Word meaning of this lesson. Number 1. Mystery. Number 2. Street. Number 3. Clue. Number 4. Sight. Mystery. Meaning of the mystery is What? What is the meaning of a mystery in English? Puzzle. Puzzle. Street. Road. Clue. Hint. And number 4 is sight, that is view. Okay, students, word meaning: mystery, puzzle, street, road, clue, hint, sight, view. Okay, I think this is clear for you all. Okay, now we go for the next exercise, that is a make sentences. Okay, exercise number 3 is make sentences. Exercise number 3 is make sentences. Exercise number 3 is make sentences. Number 1, book. Number 2, you have to make sentence with the word book. Book. This is a book. When you are making the sentence, be careful that you start the sentence with the capital letter and end with the full stop. Okay. Number 2, actor. I am an actor. See students, start with the capital letter and end with the full stop. Number 3, queen. She is a queen. Start with capital, end with full stop. Okay. Number 4, the last one is pencil. I have a pencil. I have a pencil. Okay students, here are only 4 copy work. One is the question number, first one is write first 5 lines of the poem. Question number 2, dictation verse. Question number 3, that is word meaning of the lesson. And the question number 4 is make sentences. Okay, you have to do 4 exercises in your copy. You have to do 4 exercises in your copy related to this lesson. Okay students, make sentences: book, actor, queen, pencil. You use these words in the sentence. When you make the sentence, you use these given words only. The book, this is a book. This T capital, end with full stop. But please don't forget to underline the word, because you are making the sentence with the given words. Okay, so don't forget to underline the words. Actor, I am an actor. Underline the word actor. Queen, she is a queen. Underline the word queen. Pencil, I have a pencil. You have to underline the word pencil. Write with very good handwriting, no spelling mistake. At least put the finger gap, and please write neatly in your copy. Okay students? Okay students, all the copy work is already uploaded in the school website. So go and check the school website and do your copy work. Please students, complete your copy work on time. Write it neatly with good handwriting. Thank you and have a nice day.